Reliable replacement. This fuel tank directly replaces the original fuel tank on specified vehicle years, makes and models. Durable construction. This fuel tank is made from the same rugged materials as the original part for dependable service. Quality assured. This part has been validated to ensure a quality fit and long service life. Trustworthy design, backed by team of product specialists in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. This replacement fuel tank is precision engineered to match the fit and function of the original fuel tank on specified vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. It's a metal box you put gas in. Only ships with the pump ring and seal. The 2 EVAP holes in the top are smooth and round. The grommets I got, crown, fit perfectly. Powder coating looks great, but the inside looks like it is just raw steel, like OEM. Slotted right into the alignment grooves on the underside of my 86, including the plastic scuff protector underneath.